Hello there, Karin here on behalf of Makers Mercantile. Today I'm going to do the unboxing for February's Sock of the Month Club. So if you are one of the people who subscribes to this, by now you should have gotten your red iconic box in the mail. This month it says rock these socks on it. And let's see what's on the inside for those of you who don't get it. Dun, dun, dun. First of all, we always have some kind of a little riddle, and this time it says, why was the rainbow so focused on its studies? The answer is because it needed to pass a test with flying colors. There you go. That's our humor. Also, all of our riddles and our questions, they always have something to do with what's in the box. So rainbows must be a theme. Let's see what else we have in here. We have some tissue. We don't need the tissue right now. We have a Warheads sucker for Valentine's Day, and that is sure to make you pucker. There's a lot of things that rhyme to that, but we're not going to go into details. We also have a bee bar lotion. There we go. These are actually really quite nice. They smell like lavender. And I don't want to unwrap it, but it's just a tiny little lotion bar that you can use on your hands when you're knitting and so on, which is really great. In winter, we tend to get dry hands and we start snagging our yarn, but not if you have one of these on you. And then, of course, there's got to be some kind of yarn. So let's check and see what the yarn is this month. And ta-da! It is a swabble. Look at that. So a swabble is actually... it is a yarn that we get from Germany, and they make these specifically for us. They have, in this case, 2 little mini cakes, and each cake is going to have 50 grams on it, so you can get 2 identical socks. If you don't want to have identical socks, you don't have to have identical socks. You could start in the middle from one, and you could start on the outside from the other. But either way, this sock yarn actually has 220 yards on each little cake. It's about 80% wool and 20% nylon, so it's just perfect for sock making. Now, what socks are we going to actually make? Well, let's see what we have. I have a pattern in the box, as we always do, and then, of course, a download code, so if you want to put it in your Ravelry library, you can. And this month, it looks like a rainbow sock. But let me actually show you the sock. This is the sock. Now, for those of you who are my age or older, you probably remember back in the 70s, this is what we were wearing to high school. We had on these tube tops, or these tube sock tops, tube top. Okay, I'm sorry, that's a really hard word to say. We had these tube socks, and on the tops were different stripes and so on, and this time you get a rainbow stripe. Now, if that's a little too crazy for you to wear, you could actually start with the rainbow stripe and put it towards the toe and then just have a white upper portion. But why would you want to do that when you can have a little rainbow up here? You know, it makes me want to put these on and start doing aerobics with Richard Simmons. Remember him? You know, put on some really cute little shorts and just get all jazzed up with him. That's what this reminds me of. So this is a little bit of nostalgia for me. If you're a younger person, well, then you're learning about a little piece of history. Anyways, this is a fun sock, not your run-of-the-mill sock. And if you're lucky enough to get one of our boxes, you actually got the yarn. I think we have a couple extra boxes to go, but once it's gone, and I don't think we'll be bringing it back. That's one of the special things that you get with getting one of our subscription boxes, is that we frequently do have some very special things in there that aren't normally available. So that is a subscription box for the month of February. If you're interested in signing up, you can simply go to our website and type in the search bar, Sock of the Month Club, and it will show up for you. You can buy just one box if you want. It's going to cost a little bit more than if you got a subscription, or you can sign up, and I believe now it goes through the end of the year, but at any point in time, if you find it's not right for you, you can cancel. So thank you for watching. I will be back next month with another Sock of the Month unboxing. Whew, I'm just really twisting my words today. And until then, stay safe. Ciao.